Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. You're building an online course on WordPress and you're stuck between LearnDash and Tutor LMS. Both work, but they are not the same, and picking the wrong one can cost you real money and time. I'm breaking down the actual differences right now, before we start, it helps a lot. Let's go. Overview. LearnDash around since 2013, used by universities and Fortune 500s. Premium only, no free tier, but everything's included and it just works. Tutor LMS launched 2019, grew fast, has a free version with unlimited courses and students. Advanced stuff like monetization and analytics, that's behind paid add-ons. Same category, very different approach. Pricing. LearnDash starts at $199, year, no surprises, everything's in. Tutor LMS is free to start, but stack the add-ons you actually need and you're looking at $250, $450 in scattered purchases with compatibility issues on top. The real Tutor LMS advantage: lifetime licenses, pay once, done forever. LearnDash, annual renewals every year, no exceptions. Short-term Tutor LMS wins. Long-term Tutor LMS still wins on price. Features. LearnDash gives you 12 quiz types out of the box: essays, file uploads, hotspots, proctoring. Tutor LMS free covers only basics, advanced quizzes cost extra. Tutor LMS has a front-end builder, create courses without touching the WordPress dashboard at all. Big win for non-technical users. LearnDash requires back-end access. Need a multi-instructor marketplace with revenue sharing? Tutor LMS has it built in. LearnDash needs third-party plugins for that. Analytics. LearnDash, video drop-off timestamps, quiz performance by question, lesson heat maps mostly included. Tutor LMS, basic totals for free, anything deeper costs $69 plus. Clear winner, LearnDash. Ease of use. Tutor LMS onboards, faster, friendlier setup wizard, demo content import, easier learning curve. LearnDash has more complexity but significantly better support, rated 4.6 versus 3.8 on Capterra. Pick Tutor LMS if you're starting out, testing an idea, or building a marketplace. The lifetime deal is a genuine long-term advantage. Pick LearnDash if you're building something serious: certifications, deep analytics, corporate training, SCORM. It costs more yearly, but it's tighter, more reliable, and better supported. Bottom line, Tutor LMS to start, LearnDash to scale. Hope this saved you from a decision you'd regret later. Like the video if it helped, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and check the description for direct links to both tools with current pricing. See you in the next one.